I'm gonna show you how you can activate your Sales Navigator for $20 anytime for any time period. So let's get straight into it. Now, as you can see here, first place you can do this is on Fiverr, and what you will actually enter is Sales Navigator activate. Okay, so and here what you are looking for is a post that says I will activate your Sales Navigator. Okay, not B2B lead generation. That's not what we are looking for. We are just looking for Sales Navigator. And let me quickly explain to you how this works. So essentially, you can activate LinkedIn Navigator. For example, if you are in the US, it probably costs you like $150, right? But if you are in places like Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, in those places, Sales Navigator costs you like, I don't know, 15, 20, 25 bucks. Okay, so these people will activate the Sales Navigator for you in Bangladesh, in those countries, and there is no risk, okay? There's no risk involved for you because you will just give them your email and LinkedIn will just think it's a normal Sales Navigator account, so they will not suspect this. I have tried this on multiple accounts, and at least 10 accounts have I tried this on, and it always works. So there is no limitations here. There is no risk for you that can get involved, okay? So if you can find it here on Upwork, which nowadays is the case, the second place you go is on Upwork. You go post a job and you go short term, continue to post. I want to get my Sales Navigator account activated for $20. Okay, now this one doesn't really matter, and this one doesn't really matter too. Okay, and here small, doesn't matter, but you click here and now just go budget $20, and this is what you get, right? You don't even have to enter any description. You can that you want to activate your Sales Navigator account on LinkedIn from someone who can do it with an email, but most cases this is enough. So once you post this, people actually start reaching out to you saying that they can do it for 20, 25, maybe 30. So it's on you how much you want to get paid for or how much you want to pay for Navigator, but it's usually around $20 to $30. So that's a massive discount every single month, saving at least $100 on that subscription. And what happened to me actually sometimes is that it even lasts 2 or 3 months. So it can save you up to $200-300 in just one single purchase. And you just post it and wait for them to reply to you. And then what most likely is going to happen is they are going to send you some Google Sheet where you are going to insert the account URL and the email. And they are just going to send you a link that you are then going to open, and it will activate. It will ask you to activate the LinkedIn account. So don't worry about that. It's a LinkedIn URL and it's used completely normally. So to get your Sales Navigator activated for $20, what you should do, either go into Fiverr or Upwork, find a person there, and then what happens here on Upwork, what you do is you create a contract, right? And then you fund the contract, but you only pay after they do the job, right? So there is no risk for you involved, and they have to do the job in order to get paid. And yeah, this is it. There is no risk involved. This is just normal Sales Navigator. It has all the features that any Sales Navigator has, and enjoy, and see you in the next one. Have a good one.